tires for Tanner Gray.
Come on, Riggy.
The new ones for Dye. He's up in the top 10 after that bad pit stop. So nice job keeping cool under pressure for Daniel Dye.
Nice job by Ty Majeski, the leader, with Joe Shear. I mean, just to have a race that is mistake-free, they haven't had it, but they overcome. They've been working on it. They had an uncontrolled tire earlier. He was patient. You guys said he just was waiting and buying his time. Now he's leading this race, looking to make it 2 wins in a row.
I'm going to tell you, if this 38 truck gets clear of 9, I think he's going to go heat up that 98.
Oh, fuck.
15 laps to go.
I thought it was 20, you dipshits. You fucking changed it on me, you bitches. Fucking sons of bitches, fucking changed it on me.
Meanwhile, Majeski continues to check out over a 1.5 second lead over.
I'm getting nervous because of Riggs.
Third in North Wilkesboro. Lane Riggs, best career finish earlier this year.
These guys are fighting these trucks.
Oh, and there goes, oh,
Zilich goes around.
Zilich backs it into the wall.
Caution of the night.
Running in the 18th position.
A lot of damage to that 7 truck.
Yeah.
He was in the same situation, Michael. Remember we talked about it. He didn't have as fresh tires as the majority of the field.
Look at this top 10 right now. Ty Dillon 7th, Stephen Parsons 8th, Ben Rose
Fucking motorer.
9th, Corey Hine 10th on those scuffed tires they put back on.
Okay, Daniel Dye just outside the top 10 and 11th. Connor Hall doing a great job in his debut right now, running in the 12th spot.
That's Deo
Zilich is gonna
Zilich.
pull it behind the wall. Too
Navy.
much damage to continue.
See Brian Patty there walking by and surveying things. Took a chance. It didn't work.
Connor Zilich will next be in the truck at Bristol.
Let's see if we can take a look at what happened. Where you see right there, they're already.
Oh, Brett Holmes fucking murdered him.
Two of Brett Holmes on the inside, and Connor Zilich on the outside, but they were already together, and Zilich was dead sideways.
I think that was loose end for Holmes, and that's just what slid him up into Zilich and around the corner.
Here's another view of it. Is there a little contact maybe?
Oh, he went down the 77. It was still 32's fault.
77.
So loose end is right.
With help.
Loose end
With
is
help.
That's a lot of damage to that 7.
Half off, yellows out, going out there, wall and 2.
We're going to have a restart inside of 10 laps to go.
Uh-oh.